Alright, so this is to show you how to replace the mirror cap on a 19 and 20 Ram, new body style. This little piece right here. A lot of people want to change them out to be painted or whatever the case is. So what you got to do is you actually have to remove the glass in order to actually replace the cap. So what I have is just like a dent puller from Harbor Freight. You just stick it on the glass and pull it out. And I will show you how to do that here just shortly. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you just put the suction cup right here on the glass, right in the center. There's a little circle that's behind it. Just get on here and you pull it really hard with two hands and pull right off. So like I said, just you pull the glass and pull it straight back. So behind it, these two pieces here, you just pull out with your finger, and then you have, if you have, this is for the defrost mirror, those two little plugs. Right there. The blue goes towards the inside, and the black wire goes on the outside. So I hope you guys can kind of see that. And then from here, it's just clips on top. It's a clip there, and the only other one you got to remove is that there is a screw, I believe it's a T4 right here that you need to remove. You unscrew this, and then the whole cap comes out. So after you get that all removed on the glass, you'd actually just push it back in with hand, just get everything kind of tightened up, that one screw that was towards this side here, and plug everything back in, and then you are good. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching.